Good morning, students. The question is, if function is equals to greatest integer function of x square, then what is the value of f dash of 3 by 2? So first of all, we should know what is greatest integer function. Greatest integer function is defined as bracketed x, where x is any number, real number. So the answer will be an integer n if where n is less than equal to x. That means if we are writing 1, the greatest integer function of 1 will be 1. It has to be, the answer has to be an integer. If it is 1.1, so we'll apply this rule. Integer which is less than 1.1, but it has to be an integer, so 1.1 greatest integer function will be again 1. Same way, the greatest integer function of 2.9, according to the definition, it has to less than equal to an integer. So the greatest integer function of 2.9 is 2. So we all are clear what is greatest integer function. So now we'll come to the answer. As we all know, greatest integer function is a continuous function, but it is not continuous on the point of integers. So it is a continuous function like this. The graph is like this. This is origin, x-axis and y-axis. The graph of greatest integer function is like this. It is also called step function. So it is continuous on different numbers other than integers. So on the integer point it is not continuous, it is discontinuous. So as 3 by 2 is not an integer, so f of 3 by 2 is continuous. As f of 3 by 2 is continuous, f dash of 3 by 2 must exist. Why? Because every differentiable function is continuous. So since this function is continuous, it has to have its derivative. As fx, the function which is given is bracketed x square, which is an integer obviously, because the greatest integer function is given. So this, since this is an integer, the derivative is also exist. Integer, the derivative of an integer is 0, so f dash 3 by 2 is 0.